how to change your PayPal password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can change our PayPal password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to change the PayPal account password, all you have to do is just go to paypal.com and log into your account. And when you're logged in and let's say you want to change your password, tap on the three lines option from the top left and then just go to this option, which is the gear icon over here. Once you tap on the gear icon, it will basically take you to the settings page where you have to simply navigate to security here. When you navigate to security, you can say password, create or update your password. So you can tap on create or update your password. Then all you have to do is first of all make sure to enter your current password, which is of your current account. Then enter the new password, confirm the new password, then tap on the change password option to basically change it. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically change your PayPal account password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.